Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start coding finally. So at first what we have to do is to create a new Python file. So how we will create it? So at first we will go to VS Code, or you will see some interface like this. You can do here clicking new file, or you can, and you have other options like here in the option here in the file menu you can see new file, or you can do another thing is to here you can double click, so you will see untitled one, and then command S or control S, or you can, and you can do another thing is press any using a keyboard shortcut like command N or control plus N. So you'll see a file name like untitled one, so you can do is control S, then name it as hello world underscore dot, and don't forget to put py extension. Okay, so this means you are creating a Python file, so you can save it anywhere. Here I'm saving this file into my desktop, or you can save anywhere wherever you want. So today we are going to print hello world. It's kind of, you can say, traditional. Whoever start coding, they first they first print hello world, then in the starting. So we'll do same. So print is a built-in function that used to show output. We'll know it detailed. Hello world. So here we will use run Python file, or yes, you can see hello world. Okay, so I already said print is a built-in function to get output, or you can by this function you can print anything, just like print my name is for example Tom. So it will also print my name is Tom. I'll show let's see here in the terminal. Okay, so you can see here is it's printed in the terminal. So, or you can do another thing is declare a variable like name and equal to as this equal sign means to assign something into that variable. So here double quote mean string, we'll know it later, but at first ignore that and just do what I'm doing. Say Harry. So on in the next line we'll print that my name is space comma, and then the variable name is name. So let's see what it print. So yes, you can see it's printing my name is Harry. Okay, that means you can use anything for, just like you can also assign another variable. It's not like that you need to you need to declare this variable one under another or one after another. you can also declare it anywhere, but make sure that the print line is but make sure that the variable is before the line print. Okay, so okay, let me show again. So here I am using it, age equal to set it 20. Okay, now we will also again use print my age is in colon comma. You can also put a colon here, just like for the berry. Now the variable again, age. Let's see what happened. So here you can also see my age is 20. Okay, that's all for the print function. Now I am commented all this hash. Put a hash means it is a comment, so interpreter will ignore this line. Okay, so now for example, let's see. So it's printed nothing. That means all line are ignored by the interpreter. So this is how print function work. So, and we also saw a variable, how to store data in variable. So the age equal to 20, it means we are storing this 20 integer in age. Okay, it might seems that what I'm talking about, integer, string, these are data type. We will know detailed about it in the next video, or in the data type video. So this is about just now printing. And I also said about another thing is how to take input. Okay, so what we have to do is we can also take input from the users. So to do that, at first we'll declare a variable for any naming, but make sure that when you are declaring a variable, there is some convention, naming convention. There is let me tell you some of them. Is you cannot use another special character without underscore. Underscore is allowed, and you cannot start a name with just like this number 1 2 or whatever, or you cannot start a variable name with a capital letter. All you have to do is just start with a small letter, any age, or you can use here underscore age of user is equal to, you see how I did it, equal to take input. You'll first say input. So this will take input, but as a string. Just ignore what I'm talking in string integers, just do what I'm doing, int. Okay, now it will take integer number from the user. Now okay, so now let's say print your age is comma age of user. So let me clear the terminal. Now let's run again. So it's doing nothing. That means it is asking for input. So let's say put 30, so it will show 30. Okay, now it means it's kind of dynamic. So at before we did it was just manually we have to put the age or put the in we have to manually do name set, we have to manually set the name or age, but you can now take input. You can also take a name input. So now okay, let's say name equal to, this time we will just put input only. So now print your name is name. Okay, so now run again the Python file. Here one thing is just input, just give the input, then hit the enter button, and now again name is like what, suggest me any name. Okay, so say Thor, again hit the enter button. So here you can see the output, it's showing Thor. Okay, so it's kind of dynamic. Now you can also give a message to the users how or what type of data they my terminal is asking. So you can say enter age in the input and put a in the parenthesis, put a double quote, then say what, enter name. So this will give a clear message to users what they have to input or what they have to give. Okay, again now you can see enter age. Now I will give like 33. Again name is 20. Oh sorry, name can be 20. Name is, let's say Thor. So here I made a mistake, just put an space or comma colon space for make it more beautiful. So here you can see age and asking in a beautiful way, so like 20 Tom. Okay, so yeah, we finally learn how does this print function work. Now we'll know more about it, but that's all from today. Keep it practicing. If you do not understand anything, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem in the next video.